I believe, right. Oh, okay. So I believe that everyone who is attending here will have information that is enough to pass on to their members and to refer or relay the message to everyone in their teams. All right, we have a business called NeoSynthtetic. NeoSynthtetic is the business that was established and started while I was there as well. I'm proud to say that because some businesses, you will find them 6 months old, 12 months old, 2 years old. This one started when I was there as well. Every development, I've seen it. Brewing, I've seen it up until it went live. This system went live on the 10th of April 2024, sorry. So I am happy to say that amongst the things that I've seen in this is consideration from the owners of the company, from our project manager, from every leader that is having a hand in establishing this company. They are listening to us. As leader Dennis has just mentioned, that they are listening to us. Whatever we say as networkers, they adhere to that. The reason why is because they want a symbiotic relationship so that we can have a clear future together. All right. So without further wasting time, my name is Tabani Ndlela. I present this business to you, but I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing the opportunity because I have seen the opportunity as the one that maybe can elevate us to the next level. Also, the company has their own disclaimer to say they kindly ask you that the participating in this project, like any other endeavor, involves the risks. It is essential to comprehend that this presentation is not intended as a solicitation, investment advice, or financial guidance. We are just sharing opportunity so that if you see fit, you can also indulge in this. What is the company's vision? Is to revolutionize the financial landscape by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create innovative and effective trading solutions that will empower individuals and organizations to achieve their financial goals. Right. Their mission is to be the leading provider of AI-driven trading solution known for commitment to excellence, integrity, and customer satisfaction. They are also striving to continuously push the boundaries of technology and finance to deliver superior value to their clients and stakeholders. Who are the clients? It's me and you. Who are the stakeholders? It's me and you as well. Who are the brains behind this establishment? Mr. Dato Lomeri, who is also a visionary entrepreneur who hails from Georgia. With a pioneer spirit, he delved into the cryptocurrency earlier on, becoming one of the first miners at Bitferry in 2014. So, fueled by his passion for innovation, he later found his own company focused on advancing artificial intelligence. So on and on and on. There's a lot you can read because when he was driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence, he also expanded his expertise into options, futures exchange, and cryptocurrency trading, where he excelled on global platforms. So recognizing the value of collaboration, he also established a leading trading broker company, attracting top-tier specialists to join his team. So there's a lot I can read, but I don't wanna, everyone can access the PDF as well. We also have Mr. Dennis Tarini, who is our CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. He's also one of the beacon of ambition and dedication. He was also born in culturally rich city of Belgrade in Serbia. He is also armed with a solid education foundation from esteemed Belgrade State University, where he graduated from the esteemed economy department. So he also embarked on a journey marked by unwavering determination and thirst for knowledge. And also he has a lot of profile that you can browse around. But let's focus on the business. What is AI? It stands for artificial intelligence. So technology is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks traditionally required by human intelligence. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, understanding natural language, and interacting with the environment. The goal of these AIs is to create a system that can mimic human cognitive abilities and perform tasks autonomously, efficiently, and accurately. That is the main aim. Trading AI is also known as an algorithm trading or automated trading that refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies that to make decisions about buying or selling financial assets in the stock market, forex market, or cryptocurrency market. We also know people around are selling robots to say this is a forex robot, this is a stockbroker robot, this is also a cryptocurrency robot. So some are failing because they have no backbone, but some are winning as well because they were created with a founder's vision to empower and innovate. So in this, we have as well the model that is an algorithm machine, which is a machine that is learning models, statistically analyze market data, identify patterns, and also execute trades automatically without human intervention. So the key components of this AI includes data analysis, AI trading system that collects and analyze vast amount of historical data and real-time market data, including price movement, trading volume, news sentiments, and other relevant factors. AI and crypto trading. This is an integration of artificial intelligence in cryptocurrency trading has revolutionized the financial landscape, offering advanced predictive capabilities and automation to optimize the trading strategies. So this project aims to develop an AI-powered crypto trading platform that leverages machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, forecast price movement, and execute trades with precision. The platform will provide users with customizable trading strategies, risk management tools, and real-time market insights to maximize profitability and minimize risks to volatile cryptocurrency market. Everyone is crying, everyone is complaining these days that the market is bleeding. There's blood in the market because of the news sentiment, because of the movement that is happening and wavering within some of the countries. Number one of those being Iran, that some drones were sent into. So if you are trading and you are not in a position to collect that data, you won't be able to understand what is going on into the market. So rather opt for the AI system that will collect all that data for you, that will know without emotions to initiate the trades. So what is the company is focusing on, or what is the real product of this company? They are focusing on GPUs, which are abbreviation of graphics processing units. So these GPUs are playing a pivotal role in various industries beyond their traditional use in gaming and graphics rendering. Today, GPUs are extensively utilized for high-performance computing tasks, including a learning machine, data analytics, and scientific simulation. GPU is also serves as the backbone of the decentralized computing, fueling innovation, scalability, and cost effectiveness across diverse applications. So their active participation is essential for realizing the full potential of the decentralized computational networks. That is the use of the GPU. But what is this? Is it power role? Excuse me. I do hope I'm audible. If I'm not, you may say so. But if I am audible, you can send those 111s in the chat box. Okay. What is the role of this? Many big companies leverage GPUs for their AI initiative due to their parallel processing capabilities, which are well suited for handling the computational demands of an AI and machine learning tasks. Let's look at Google. They also utilize the GPUs extensively across its various AI applications, including natural language processing, computer vision, and recommendation system. Facebook as well. They employ the GPUs for the tasks such as image recognition, language translation, and content personalization. There's also more of those big companies like Amazon's, like Microsoft, Nvidia, you name it, Tesla, and so on and so on and so on. They are also using these GPUs as well. So thank you for confirming, my leader. Let me try and carry on. So what is the relationship between GPUs and NeoSynthtetic? It's the company believes that investing in the GPU-powered data centers can be a lucrative opportunity for NeoSynthtetic. So by strategically diversifying revenue streams and catering to diverse customer needs, investing in these GPU centers can generate sustainable profits over the long term. So we are continuously monitoring the market trends, technology advancement, customer feedback to adapt strategies that and stay competitive in the rapidly evolving GPU computing landscape. If you are not adapting into the technology advancements, you will not keep up. That is why they are also focusing on this, because these machines are AI powered. Their algorithm is so strong. It picks up what is the trend in the markets. So by joining our community, members not only gain access to the cutting edge GPU technology, but also become valuable partners in our journey towards innovation and growth. As we rent out GPUs resources to the clients for various computational tasks, we are committed to sharing the profits generated from these transactions with our members. So that is the main core business or the product of the company. They are renting out these GPUs to their clients that may involve high-end profits. So they say if we partner with them, they take some of these monies and invest it as well in establishment of these. Somebody else is talking. Can you please mute yourself, my leader? So they invest these finances in other avenues so that when they get the profit sharing, they can also give it to those clients who deserves it. So that is the main business. But I know most leaders will be focusing on the marketing plan. What is the marketing plan of this company? It has been tested, and also I have tasted it. Why am I saying so? It's because of its different aspects in terms of the avenues of getting paid. There are many ways you can get paid in this company, 5 of them being live already. There is revenue on income, which is an ROI. Some will say return on investment. So if you participate with NeoSynthtetic, what will happen is that when you have a market bracket of about $100 to $4,999, that is your capital. So you are qualifying for daily returns, which are 1%. 1% per day times 6 days a week, because the company is trading 6 days a week. So Sundays are taken as a holiday. So you can count yourself how much percentage. In South Africa specifically, there's only one bank that pays the most. In per annum, they only pay 11.5%. Sorry, 11.67%. That is one of the banks I will not mention, but that is the most highest paying bank. So take, for instance, if you look at this, how many times can you multiply that revenue that they regard as the high-end income into the banking sector? So by joining this, you will be having a much more margin, because in 11 days you would have surpassed, and also all these other days you are having a surplus of what you could have in a full year in investing in that companies. I know in some other countries they might have the banks that are even offering a little bit lower than what South Africa is offering. But let's look at this. $5,000 to 9,999. What will give you is 1.1% each and every day. Just imagine every 6 days you get to withdraw your ROI. Today is Monday. I hope you people did withdraw your ROI because it is becoming accessible on Mondays. So each and every day, your ROI will count in your back office, but to access it, you will access it on Monday. $10,000 to $25,000 will give you the access of 1.2% each and every day. Take, for instance, 1.2% of $10,000. You can clearly see that now getting $120 each and every day just because of that $10,000. That means business, because in South Africa, $120 is more than 2,000 rands. So I believe they mean business by that. But what happens if I tell my friend about the business I just found? If I tell somebody, I qualify for 10% referral bonus. So by inviting them, they are binded into my link. How I mean? Today, when they believe that maybe coming with $100, it will give me 10% of that, which is about $10. But take, for instance, if someone now decide to come with $10,000, you still qualify for the 10%. So that is why I'm saying each and every person that comes in your structure and that is directly referred by you will qualify you 10% as and when, because there's something called a capping on the capital. Once you earn 300% times of your investment, that is where you will be required to reinvest. So each time they reinvest, you also qualify for 10% as well. I believe it makes a business sense to me. Now, this is one of the amended binary income, which I love the most. Before, when the company was introduced, they had said the binary is ending at 12 levels. We said, no, we cannot have that because everyone who's falling into my binary is my team. So they said, okay, we are listening to you, leaders. So everyone in your structure is contributing into your sales volume. So the binary income, it's infinite, levels deep down up to 1,000, 4,000, 6,000, 10,000 members in your structure. They are still contributing into your sales volume. So our binary system operates when you have one person on the left, one person on the right, which were directly referred by you. So upon registration, when they use the link, the sponsor has at least 24 hours to place the user on their left or right hand side. That is the placement. But if you did not do the placement within 24 hours, the system will automatically position those people randomly. So how do you qualify for the binary income? The system says, in your own contract amount, if you are in the market cap of about $100 to $999, you are matching 8% of your business. But if you have your own contract as well from 1,000 to 9,999, you qualify automatically for 10% of your matching bonus. 10,000 to 25,000 directly, you qualify for 12%. So your total contract is the sum of all your individual contracts. For instance, if your current contract stands for 500, your binary matching bonus is 8%. Should you decide to purchase an additional 500 contract later on, that makes 1,000. So those both amounts will match and make a total of $1,000. So consequently, your binary matching bonus will escalate to 10%, just because you will be falling into the market cap now of 1,000 to 9,999. So totaling the 1,000, consequently, your binary matching bonus will escalate to 10%, rewarding your commitment to growing your investment. And there's also another avenue, which is called dual level binary income. This, this income works when your sponsor gets their matching bonus. You as well get 3% of their matching bonus. Indirect upline, so the sponsor above your sponsor, you are also qualifying 1% of whatever they are earning. So I believe it makes a good business sense, because they say, in this era, you experience the advantage of a bonus spanning 2 levels sourced from both your direct upline and indirect upline. This bonus is delivered from their daily binary income, offering you an opportunity for income on income. I like the terminology of this, income on income. All right. In neosynthetic, your earnings aren't limited to your immediate downline. You have the opportunity to benefit from the actions of your upline as well, extending up to 2 levels above you. This unique feature expands your earning potential, allowing you to capitalize on the efforts of those above you in network as well. And there's also a office bonus, which is an exclusive benefit, which is set for those partners who establish neosynthetic offices within their local communities. So the access to these incentives are limited to accredited partners exclusively. Terms and conditions. There's no room without rules. Terms and conditions, what will happen is the deposit method is also explained here. Deposit method, they accept USDT in TRC20 and BEP20, which I highly recommend BEP20 when funding, because the transfer cost are a little bit less. And also when you withdraw, USDT BEP20 is advisable. Withdrawal method, your wallet is your secret, so they secure the transactions for those. And also the AI trading income, it generates 6 days a week. As I have mentioned, your ROI is something that you're going to earn 6 days a week from Monday to Saturday. Sundays are not counted. Everyone in the company, Sundays are not counted. The release of a ROI income are only dispersed on Monday. So today, as I was reminding you guys, that if you did not withdraw your ROI, it's still Monday, you can do that, because if you did not, until the next Monday when you can withdraw. But those with the available income on your ROI, you can still withdraw. And also there's a capping of 300% on all incomes. So your capital, say for instance, you came with $100 and then your capping is sitting at $300. So whatever income you could have accumulated in this regard will serve and adhere to the capping. So once you reach $300 after you have $100 at your inception, that is where you are reaching your maximum. So you need to reinvest again. Multiple packages are also welcome. Okay, to activate binary status, you need to ensure you have at least 1 or 2 direct members in your structure, whether left or right. And also upon withdrawals, there is a 6% fee that is a withdrawal fee on your withdrawals. Each time you are withdrawing, the company is deducting 6%. Daily capping, binary matching income is subject to daily capping based on the package amount. So it depends now, your capping is 300% of what amount. Minimum withdrawal fee is easy, $10. Once you have $10 in your income, that is where you can withdraw. I believe it is quite easy to participate in this. I am happy to see a hand, so it means we will have an interaction. I have finished our presentation. This is the last slide of our presentation. Let me stop sharing my screen and maybe give the room back to Mr. Dennis. Let me see if there is leader causer or Okay. Leader Dennis, over to you, sir. There are questions. Can I take this question from Leader Kelebza? I see your hand is up, my leader. Do you have a question?
Yes, evening, my leader. How are you?
Well, thanks. I hope you are good too, my leader.
I'm good, thank you. Okay, I didn't actually want to disturb you as you were going through the slides, ne?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
had a question based on your matching bonus, right? So I wanted to know
Yes, ma'am.
about the
Yes.
capping. I don't know if ever is it possible if ever you can just take us through back to that slide. I just came up a bit late, so I just need to understand
No
on that
problem.
part, right? So you have
You are
a
most
package
welcome,
from
my leader.
to $99, $999, which is $1,000, right? And it
Yes.
gives you 8%, right, of your matching bonus.
Okay.
Is there a cap in
Yes.
that amount? Whatever, like, I'm just gonna make a typical example. I made a matching bonus of more than $1,000, whereby my contract is on $100 to $999. Are you going to
Okay.
forfeit whatever that you'll be making from the matching bonus due to
You
the
would be
maybe like
flashing.
the okay, how is it going to
Definitely,
work?
my leader. You would be flashing. How it works is, let's say for your $100.
Mm-hmm.
For your $100, forgive my handwriting. Should have been a doctor. So your capping is 300%. That 300% is a limit to whatever income that you accumulate through this period. So it says, even if you refer a person that comes with $10,000, your 10% will be $1,000. But if you had only $100 package, it means your capping ends at 300. So automatically you are flashing down or flashing away $700
Hmm.
total or
Okay.
all of it. So that is why it's important that before your people do the funding or yourself as a leader, you should always have the open space of capping. Maybe at least keep it at 1,000 so that you know there is no amount that can miss you, because it's very hard and not nice to have a flashing
Hmm.
of income. So I believe you understand, my leader. If I did not answer you the way you understand, you can ask again.
No, I understand you. Yeah, that was the question. Okay, so I saw that on the last slide there was a daily capping thing.
Yes,
Okay, so if I
yes,
made a matching bonus on a daily, let's say today I've made like that 1,000, like you're explaining to me. So that means that 700 is going to be cut off. Literally on
yes,
a daily basis, that's what is going to happen on my structure
yes.
should if I do not have the amount
If you,
to where I don't know if I'm making sense. Like you said,
yeah,
I'm on the first contract, right? The 100 to 99. If
yeah,
on a daily base I make more than $1,000, there's always going to
mm,
be a flashed $700. Is that what you're saying to
yes,
me?
definitely.
Okay.
So to avoid loss, you should have a bigger capping amount that allows you to earn your potential, because you can see your business grow. What you can do is maybe you can borrow from your trust wallet, your kept funds, and come and and have the package. More especially if you've seen that in your team, people are funding with huge sums of amount, and maybe you've already received a commission of about $100 in your 300% capping. So already you are left with 200%. So you need to make means for you not to flash, just to cover that amount. So I believe everyone can view their business in their back offices, where you can monitor and see each and every day that, oh, my team has just upgraded, or my team has just reinvested. So this is the amount that I will lose if I don't have the capping of this amount. So I believe it's more clearer to you, my leader.
All right. On the next slide, can we go on the next slide if you don't mind?
On the next slide from here.
Um, yes.
Okay, let me try. Oh, this pen thing. Okay, just few seconds. I want to delete
Okay.
this thing. Oh, where is this thing? Oh, yeah, technology. Clear all my drawings. Okay. All right.
Yeah, the dual
You
level
mentioned
binary
this one.
income base, this one. Because
Yes.
you were explaining, yeah, I did not even understand how it works. So the direct upline is 3%, and then the indirect upline.
Okay.
What does
Let's
this
say,
get to do with your overall
okay.
income from the people, like whatever that you're earning from your whole team?
Okay. What happens here is the dual level binary income reward. Let's say you are my sponsor and you are getting $100 just on binary. That is where I am getting the 3% from, because now you are my sponsor, you have received $100. So the company now is going to give me 3% of that $100. So if you received $1,000, I'm also going to get 3% of that $1,000. That's what it means. But if now it is the upliner above you, which is your upliner, which is my grand sponsor or my grand upliner, I will only receive 1% from that or their matching bonus.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's very clear, very interesting. So
So
are they sharing it?
now,
Let's say for argument's sake, I've got 10 direct, right? And I've made $1,000. So each and every direct of mine is going to get the 3% of what I've made from the $1,000.
of your matching bonus, but they have to be qualified as well to earn their own matching bonus.
Okay, how does one qualify? How does your
You,
downliners qualify for that?
you have to have 2 members directly referred by you. That's the least you can do. One on your left-hand side of your structure and one on your right-hand side of your structure. Then that qualifies you with an active package, because you can register a person and get the link and register somebody else. But if you are not active, or if you haven't bought a package for at least a minimum, those people are not counting in your binary.
Structure.
So
Okay.
until they purchase a package,
You
that
also
is where.
mentioned that if you register someone, I don't
Yes.
know, is there a way that a person can be placed before paying? Because you said if a person does not get placed within, I don't know, 24 hours, or automatically they're going to be placed on the structure. How does that one work?
Okay. The company says you can register me today. Let's say you are my sponsor. You can register me today. But what will happen is that for you to count me in your binary, or for your binary to be active, let's say I am the first or the second person in your structure. So you have to place me either on your left or on your right. What does that mean? It means you have the tool to assess and see which side have I felt on. So the system has something that is a holding pot, whereby when a person is being registered, they fall onto that holding pot. So you as a referrer, is you deciding where you want to place that person, looking at your team, looking at the size of the leaders that you know your abilities of your leaders. So you are channeling me towards the position that you want me to be on the side. So, but if you do not place me in any side, after 24 hours, the system will randomly pick a side for me. That's what they mean.
No, okay, without a person buying the what do you say? Without a person.
Even before buying a package, yes.
Oh, okay, all right, okay, now it makes sense. Okay.
Yes, it's
No,
it's
thank you so much.
it's impossible if you not if your sponsor not confirm you, it's impossible purchasing any contract.
Okay, so that means you cannot place a person if the person has not yet bought a package.
No, I think what it means is you can place, today you can register a person and place them, and then maybe they can pay for a package even tomorrow or later at a later stage. That is doable.
Ну, сейчас говорим.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Okay. No,
Okay, you see, if your sponsor not approve you, impossible login, impossible do anything. You understand? Yes.
Yeah.
If your sponsor approve you, you do everything. Before this, impossible anything. If your sponsor don't approve you, after 24 hours, automatically random it will be get places, and you do everything. But after 24 hours.
After 24 hours, okay.
Yes,
No,
but
it makes sense.
if your sponsor approve, it will be soon.
Okay. All right. No, that one is clear. Because I actually wanted to understand on that part to say, so that means immediately when you register a person, you need to know where you're going to place that person within 24 hours, basically. All right. Mr. Benny?
Oh, yes.
Did you hear me?
All right.
Yes.
Yes. I'm saying, so basically, immediately after you register a person, that means you just have 24 hours in order for you to just whether decide you're putting them on your left or on your right.
Yes, it's correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right. Well, thank you. I think now I'm clear. I was a bit late, so I just caught the presentation in the middle. So actually, it was already on the exciting part where everyone wants to know how do we earn in the business, how does a person, like, yeah, I actually got to a part whereby you
Yes,
guys
of
were
course, it's okay. We are specially making Zoom for everyone.
Okay.
This
No,
is
that's
very
fine.
important.
All right. No, thank you so much. I think I'm answered.
Thank you, leadership. Every question is most welcome. And I must tell you, leaders, there's no question that is not important. Why am I saying so? By you asking a question, you also unlocking somebody else thinking capacity, because they might have the same question in their back of their head and maybe afraid to ask it, or maybe they have forgotten to ask the question. There is another question from leader Ingrid. What is the minimum and the maximum registration amount? And second question, how much point or amount must you have made to qualify for the trip? Okay, I will take the first question, and the second question, Dennis, you will take. We also need to know how much business we need to put before we qualify for Dubai. All right. Okay, the first question says, what is the minimum and the maximum amount for people? $100 is the minimum and $25,000 is the maximum. So the minimum package is $100 and the maximum is $25,000. The second question before we go to the raising hand, how much points or amount must you have made to qualify for a trip? Leader Dennis, what is the qualifying criteria?
Okay, can I answer for trip to Dubai? You see, we don't have particularly goals or target. We just looking first for, because it's our first offline meeting. First, we're looking for serious people who will be show serious. We will looking for many options. Who is active? Who is doing something? We not only myself is I am only not only myself is selected. It's my team is looking. What do you doing? What are you doing? That means there's no target, but we. This is not only South Africa, not only Kenya. We're looking many people, but we need to understand we're looking active people, because you see, if you bring $1,000 and in future don't do anything, you will not be serious. You're like a simple investor. Of course, you will get ROI, but we're looking serious leader who won't be rich. Who won't be rich with company. Who want who have community, who have some people behind, who want to be a serious member of our ecosystem in future. The right now there's no targets, but for future events, of course, it will be targets. But now there's no target, there's no goals and no targets. Be active, everything be okay.
Okay, let's go to iPhone. There's no name for the leader who has his or her hand up. Leader iPhone, can you unmute your mic?
Okay, thank you so much, Leader Godide. Sorry, I should rename my Zoom. My name is Matole. Yeah, I just want to maybe try to answer or maybe to clarify something that Leader Calebsa asked. The way I understand, I've been around in this space for some time. I've done binaries, I've done unilevel, I've done the board system, I've done also the step-by-step system. All the system I understand better. But this one, the way I see it, it is, yes, it's a binary, but it's a binary plus. I can say maybe the better word is it's a hybrid. It's hybrid, more like a unilevel in what sense? Because most of the binaries, they do place people. If you choose left, the person will go to extremely left. If you choose right, the person will go to extremely right. So now the people that are inside leg, they tend to suffer in this case. But this one is a hybrid. I believe, and I've tried it. I asked Mr. Dennis and Mr. George. I tried to understand what is happening really here. They said, no, you can either place people inside the inner leg. So there's no far outer leg and far whatever left and right. You can even place people inside leg. Because these people, most of the leaders, they always go to the stronger leg left or stronger leg right. But people who are inside the binary, they always suffer because they don't get spillovers. But in this setup of a hybrid, you can place using the ID. If you check after registration, there are some numbers there. You can even use some numbers, place it inside leg to boost the leader that is in the inside leg of your binary. So in that way, that's why the reason they say, that's why they put what we call the holding tank. I was in a company for 4 years. It was having this holding tank where you can put anywhere you want, not right, not left, anywhere you wish to put that person, you are allowed to do so. So I think maybe I'm understanding in the right way, but maybe other leaders, maybe Mr. George or Mr. Dennis can explain, can maybe explain further. But my understanding, it's a hybrid, which is it's a binary plus and a unilevel plus. It's a combination of all these metrics. So it creates what we call a hybrid. So in any case, everyone has the chances of getting the spillover here, the way I see it. Thank you so much.
Yes, Mr. Manholi, you're absolutely right. It's what do you say? Everything is like this. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. I think it makes more sense.
That's why we keep 24 hours for approve. For sponsor.
No, thank you so much, leadership. It makes sense now because of, normally when you say you place a person on the left and right, like he had already explained that, it just takes you to the furthest of your left or right. It doesn't actually like populate your structure. But like how he's explaining it right now, to say you can actually be a person who gets to choose where the person gets to sit. You can actually point to say, okay, on your left, under this person, this is where I want it to be. I think that makes more sense.
Yes, and you also choose after whom you want to place, not only left and right, under whom. Sorry, under whom. My English so bad. Sorry, under whom. You see, you binary not only down, you binary also you have horizon. That means you just choose place. You just feel it horizon. You have a left and a right, and you have a place for you choose.
Okay.
It's up to you.
No, that is more clear. Thank you so much.
Okay, Leader Godid, I think I'm done. Maybe the last more, maybe to add on the what you call income on income. I checked my binary today. I find that I've already earned some of the money from my upliner. That means if my upliner earn $100 this morning, probably I should have gotten the 3%. Yes, it's little now because we are starting, but I believe if the network grows, that 3% and 1%, it will make sense. Because I earned $1.60 from my upliner, because most of the people said, I'm always working under you. You benefited a lot in my structure ever since we started this business. Now is a turn of event. Even the downliner now, they're earning going up. We call it the reverse, what do you call a reverse payment or a reverse binary. Yeah, you earn from your upliners instead of earning going down infinity, which is okay. But also those downliners that most of them, sometimes they don't even have people under them. But as long as they activated their binary left and right, now they do qualify to earn on their upliners. In this way, I think we can now start to work together. If my upliner flies to Namibia and work there, I know as long my upliner put the points and earn, I'm going to earn from him as well.
Yeah, no, that's really good.
I think it
one
makes
of the
sense.
key points when it comes to the networking side. It's actually quite catchy. People are actually going to be more interested and more excited to say, okay, I'm not only earning from what you're bringing, I'm also earning from you. So I think that point also is giving, yeah.
So in this
It's
case, I
giving
wish to be a downliner.
you'll never use your downliner leadership.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. More question, maybe?
Yes, I see
Okay.
Mr.
Guys,
LB.
Okay, I have
Yes,
one
yes.
more question, right? Mr. Kotida you were still going through that slide where in terms of paying that, okay, you're getting paid for 6 days and then you're earning on Monday. Are you earning only on your ROI, or is it like everything, like your matching bonus, your your referral bonus, you getting everything literally on Monday? Or is there a way that maybe if you are working right now, you're getting paid for that, and then when it comes to your ROI, which is your return on investment, you're getting paid it on Monday? Or is it just strictly on Monday? Everyone just
You see, ROI bonuses you will get Monday. Binary, you get once a day. After when it's a server is update, it's Greenwich time +3. You will get bonuses for binary. For referral bonuses, immediately. That means yes, immediately.
okay.
For you, for ROI, only Monday. For another, I see a binary is once a day. When it's server make it updates, you are +3 hours, you will get bonuses for binary. But for referral bonus, immediately.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, Mr.
Makes sense.
You have Mr. LB, you have I am answered to your question.
Yes, you did. And then when you withdraw, how long does it take? You withdraw on a Monday, here I am, I'm withdrawing. How long does it take for the transaction?
You see, in PDF we are just make 24 hours, but usually it's faster. Yes, we are just specially make it 7 hours. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No, thank you, Mr. Dennis. I think I'm clear now. Thank you so much, my leader. Leader
Yes,
Kugide.
thank you for your answer.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation. I'll keep on getting into presentation just to understand a bit more, because you talked about the UPC, what is it? GPU, and actually are quite late. So I understand that this is a trading robot that we're working with. So I guess maybe tomorrow on a presentation, or maybe Mr. Mpofu will tell me actually more about how it goes and all. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Yeah, thank you. You have very serious questions. This is very important for us also. We always waiting questions like you. Okay,
Yes, you
Mr.
need to obviously, you're gonna meet other people. They will want to know what kind of a business are you doing right now. So
Yeah.
you need to have more clearance so that you can actually explain to the next person to say how the business works and everything.
We have two departments for this is a trading department and a GPU department. Right now too, maybe in future we just thinking about some third department. This is for very deep synthetics. Yeah, but right now we have two kind of business from trading operation and from GPU business. Trading operating is using AI bots. We always AI bots. Sorry for my English. AI bots. Always we using everywhere because we have software, own software. Also, we have a team of traders who control these AI bots, and from this we get income. Okay, Mr. LB is waiting for a long time. Please, your question.
All right. Good morning, good evening, guys. Good evening. I hope everyone is fine. Thank you, Mr. Goditi, for your wonderful presentation. I don't have a question yet. It's like a testimony and addition. I tested the withdrawal yesterday, so I'm very, very happy. I can see soil is fertile. So I'm just saying to everyone who's here, let's invite people to the presentation. Let's increase our number. The soil is still fertile, guys. We used to join the campaigns when we see people, when they Zoom, they're about 1,000 and what, but now we are starting. So let's start the business. Let's invite our people. So what can I say here is wonderful. So let's start inviting and targeting each week, bringing maybe 2 or 3, 4 people. Let's grow our company, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your good words. Thank you. Maybe somebody else has some questions. Okay, please.
Nice, fancy face.
Yes.
Good evening, my leaders. I also want to give a testimony, just like my fellow leader. I also tested the withdrawal because the referral bonus and the binary are available every day. So I tested the withdrawal, and within 3 hours, the money was in my wallet. So that was nice and fast. Thank you, my leaders.
Thank you, Ingenile.
Thank you.
Leaders, I've tested the business as well, even posted on the group. When I logged in, I saw some leaders has just bought their packages, and I had binary that was available. I withdrew and I got it. So I believe now we have tested and we have tasted. What is left now is to open our mouth as much as we can, share the business to those who doesn't know about it, so that we benefit the most by building a bigger team. Just imagine your levels infinite going down. So even if a person is number 4,000 in your structure, you will still benefit from those. The aim is not to benefit only financially, but is to build a team whereby you know if you work with them, you are getting ahead with all of your team. This is the time to change the narrative, leaders. I invite you to share this opportunity with most leaders. Just imagine the platform just went live on the 10th of this month. So, you know, we are at a beginning stage. So whoever comes in now, join in before the masses do join, because when they join, you are going to the top. It is not easy at the bottom because it is always overcrowded. I don't think I have any more words to say. Let me see on the chat box. Oh, I see Leader LB sending those emojis. Thank you, leaders, for joining the call. If there's no more questions, I believe we should part ways as well. Thank you all leaders for the input. Thanks, Leader Dennis. I'm not sure if there's a leader with an input.
There's
Yes, leadership.
a Telegram group or WhatsApp group for for this business.
We have a WhatsApp group, my leader.
Okay. All right.
Can you please ask for the link to the person? I'm not sure if they are on the group as well. Please ask for the link of joining the group so that they can add you.
All right, my leader, we'll do so.
Thank you so much, leadership.
Thank you, my leader. Thank you for a great presentation. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, leaders. Leader Dennis,
Yes,
you have anything more to add?
Thank you so much. Today was very productive Zoom meetings. You know, I'm glad because our result of our AI bots is very nice today. And still today from evening I get very nice Zoom because very serious question, very good people is coming to this Zoom. You know, I am really today happy. Little bit, you see, this God sending me good messages. You see, I want to say for everyone, good night, good dreams, and see you tomorrow again. Future in our hands. If God, of course, permission us, but God with us. Thank you so much. Thank you, people. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.